My name is Gary Binkley. I've been with G&W Electric for 10 years. Started out in weekend shift epoxy, which was actually kind of fun. From there I moved into where I'm currently at, which is final assembly, which final assembly is the most fun place to be. We get to see numerous different switches on a daily basis. We never build the same thing. It's always something that's different. We could be building switches, we'll do substation frames. It could be any number of things that we'd be doing over there. My mentors would be Rick Weiss. He's been doing a lot of support, helping me get to the next level of my phase, which would be Assembler 3. G&W Electric supports their people that they hire here. They go out of their way and above and beyond to help people to try and advance them through their careers with schooling and stuff like that too. It's been educational. I learned a lot so far, and I'm still learning as I progress through the company. G&W Electric does provide outreach for Habitat for Humanity. I've done 4 different house building projects with them so far, all of which I always fully support and help out as much as I can. I love giving out and helping other people that need it more than I need it. I've enjoyed my 10 years here so far, and I plan on sticking around for as long as I can.